hot water skid unit here. It's got its own gas tank to run the engine. And again, this starts the exact same as the other one. Pull the choke out, throttle it up a little, and turn the key, start it. Once it runs for a little bit, turn the choke off, and then idle it up all the way. And then to turn it off, idle it down, let it idle down for 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn the key off. The biggest thing is if you're using hot water on this machine, this is diesel. That's what runs the burner to give you hot water. That turns the hot water on. Only turn that on when the machine's running. This dial just gives you a temperature setting. This one is set on about 140 right there. You don't really need to mess with that too much, but the biggest thing with the hot water is when you're at the end of the job and you're about finished, you come over here and turn that off, but then you have to pull the trigger on your gun and cycle water through there for sometimes like a minute or two until you feel the water is cooled off that's coming out the end of your gun. And then that'll ensure that all the coils inside here are cooled down now and you won't have any issues. If you have this on and you're running hot water and then you stop spraying your gun and you just come over here and turn this off, shut the machine off, what can happen is these coils are still hot and they're still building up heat, and this thing can actually explode like a bomb. So it's very important that you turn this off while the machine is still running and then pull the trigger on your wand to cycle water through the whole system until the water coming out the end of your wand after a minute or two starts to get cold again, and then you know that you've properly cooled this off, and then you can go ahead and shut off the engine and everything.